Welcome back with another video with Arish Park Reaction Channel. So guys, how you doing? Good and great. Today I'm going to give a reaction. That is one of my subscriber. He asked me to give the reaction. Are Indians really good at maths? Asian Boss, his channel name, and it's a very famous channel. And I think more than 3 million subscriber on that video. And one of my subscribers, he asked me to give a reaction on that. So as long we see the video, then we have an idea how is it really the Indians are really good at maths. So I'm very excited to see this video and give a reaction on that video. So stay tuned, watch the complete video, and if you like it, and then obviously you have to give a write down in the comment section. So without any delay, let's get back into the video, guys. 1 2 3.
Hey guys, it's
Maria from Asian Boss.
What is 9Q?
9Q.
Try to figure this out in your head without using a calculator. Of the many stereotypes that people have of Indians, we hit the streets of Mumbai to find out whether or not ordinary Indians are good at math.
ये तो देख के पता
So
चलेगा.
let's
Let's
start
travel.
So, a BBC report stated that an Indian bride walked out of the wedding after the groom failed to solve 15 plus 6. How do you feel about this?
It's actually
Perfect. That's like basic knowledge. Anyone should get to know how to add 15 and 6. All the best to her. Yeah, get a better groom, please.
shameful. I mean, if I can't do it, I'll be okay if someone walks out and me as well. Like, it's such a stupid thing not to.
Yeah, it's very
If
interesting,
you
you
can't
know.
solve 15 plus 6, then you're stupid. Then nobody deserves you.
I feel bad. I obviously feel bad because
If somebody don't know that,
marriage is
so
not something,
his marriage will be
people
cancelled
connect
all the
not
way.
because of their intelligence. The heart should be connected, I feel.
If this was an incident in the rural India,
Yeah.
specifically in the areas like Haryana and that sort of
Okay,
plate, so yeah, being good at mathematics and sciences is a matter of pride.
Oh, I see.
Like relatives will come to your house instead of asking, hey,
How
how
are
are you
you?"
doing in life? How comfortable are you? Like, what do you want? They will ask you mathematical tables and stuff like that just to prove themselves,
Yeah.
make you feel small, or like check you out.
Globally, Indians are known for being good at
Ah.
math. Do you think this is true?
I don't think that's true, but for some specific cases it could be.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it is true.
Yeah, I guess in a way.
He's looking intelligent though, this guy.
Math is different than the way I guess other countries do.
It doesn't stand for everyone, you see. We have a huge diversity in terms of that, and not everyone can be good in maths. That's a
And
wrong
she is
perception
very
we have.
intelligent, I would say
We
that.
have a lot of maths from childhood. We don't depend on calculators. We don't depend on computers so much. So
Yeah,
definitely
because
we are
our
better at
desi
maths.
On a scale
basically.
of 1 to 10, how good would you say you are in math?
7.
7. Okay. How much do you usually score?
Above 90.
Actually, I'm really bad. I wouldn't say anything. You can say 2 or 3.
I'm going to ask you a couple of math questions, okay? Try your best to answer them.
Alright.
What is 87 plus 87?
174.
174. 174.
What is 87 plus 87?
Oh my days.
12 into 14.
छक्के पे छक्के मार रहे हैं सारे.
68.
168 बोला.
No? Okay. What is the square of 18?
3.
324.
What is the square of 18?
80.
324. He is right as well.
It's fine. You can take it.
320.
You are there.
324.
What is the square of 18?
That's the thing, my man.
That's true. Cube of 9?
9, 9, 81, 9,
7.
721, something like that.
729.
729, yeah.
Amazing,
What
yeah,
is the
amazing.
cube of 9?
He is an intelligent guy, though. I already,
Yeah. What is
when
the
I
root
see
of
his eyes,
256?
he looks intelligent.
What is the square of
वो होते हैं
12?
ना
140.
क्लास में जो
And he says
फर्स्ट
that
नंबर पे
I'm
होते हैं
not
ये
good at math.
वो
What
कैटेगरी
is
लग
the
रही है
cube
मुझे.
of 9?
90. 729.
That's
She's
true.
so serious.
Root of
I don't know
256.
why.
Uh-huh.
ये होता है ना बॉसी टाइप की जो होती है वैसी मुझे लग रही है ये.
That's true. What is the cube of 9?
729. He is right as well.
That's right. What is the root of 256?
16.
What is the root of 256?
Handsome guy.
16.
16 is true. Okay. So how were those questions? Easy or difficult for you?
They were okay. I mean, they were not too hard. These kind of math problems are actually easy for Asians, I think.
India seems to have a unique way of calculating big numbers in their head and with
Yeah,
their
that's
fingers. Could you show me how to do it?
So you have like 4 divisions in each of your fingers.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
4 in each. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it goes till 20. 5 into 4, 20. So that way you keep counting. If you have to add something, suppose 8 and 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and you have to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that gives you a 12.
Teacher.
How did you do the first one? 87 plus 87. How did you do that?
80 plus 80, that's 160, and then 7 plus 7, 14.
Okay. So there you go.
Just add both of them up, yeah. There is more than one way to solve a question, a particular question, and those ways are not just told by our teachers, or we ourselves discover some ways
Solve a
to
pathway.
solve a particular question.
Do students
We
use
both लंबा कर
calculators
दिए
in
यार
school in
सिखा
India?
के.
No.
No calculators.
So
Even India
I
and
know that
Pakistan,
for a fact
most of
in,
the people, they don't use
university, I'm pretty
calculators.
sure most of the countries they allow, Western education allows calculators, but in India, like even right now in college and even for the entrance exams and stuff, you have no access to calculators, whether it's derivatives, integration, nothing. So yeah.
Do you think
He
that
is
the
an
Indian
intelligent
society
guy.
has high standards for the general public on math?
Yeah, I think Indians are expected to know quite a, like mental maths and stuff pretty well. Even if you're in a corporate, if you're working in an office or something, like there are some things that people expect you to know without taking to calculate without using a calculator, basically.
It does because see, this is the land where zero was discovered, okay? So it is intrinsically in our brains that we are good at maths and plus accounting concepts, everything was developed in India. So it's a basic understanding with all Indians have in their mind that you should be good in maths.
When you're going to the government schools, you'll have below average English teachers, below average social science teachers, but you'll have all right maths teachers. So naturally your expectations for mathematics
Oh,
grows
yeah,
from
yeah,
there.
yeah.
If you consider Indian parents, which is the Desi parents, then yes, they do actually. I mean, I scored 80 to 100 on math,
Oh,
in math, which I
That's
think is
good,
pretty
man.
good.
That's really
But
good.
my parents were not happy at all.
What would you like to say to people overseas who have these stereotypes about India?
Not all of us are good at math, but quite a few are. So
No,
that's
that's
it.
that's
there are
amazing,
quite a few things
guys.
All are good at too. The only thing I'd say is
Amazing.
the fact that they do not allow children to rely on calculators is like the biggest
That's-
thing. Because
that's really
that
awesome.
does
I
help
would
in the
say
future.
that.
If
I
you
mean-
don't need to, you don't have the urge to take a calculator out and you're able to do stuff on your own. To be very honest, I myself want to know and research about that why is this, that why is this stereotypical image that we Indians are only good at maths, and why not the outsiders ones? Don't have the stereotype in their minds that are only Indians are good at maths.
Good thinking,
it
bro.
depends only on the
I
person.
like
It is
it.
actually the social pressure due to which the perception is that majority of the Indians are good at mathematics. Actually, the natural capability is, I believe, the same all over the world. It's the socio-cultural phenomenon over here which promotes mathematics in a way, and you see the result.
That's,
Did this video change your perspective of Indians' math
it's really,
skills? Let us know
I
in the
would
comments.
rate
For more authentic
10
insight
out
into
of
the
10.
latest news and culture trends from all over Asia,
I would say
be sure to
9
subscribe
out
to
of
Asian
10.
Boss and follow us on our
9.5.
social media.
नहीं कि
Thanks for
सब्सक्राइब
watching
करें यार
and
इनके
see you in the
चैनल को
next
वो
video.
सब्सक्राइब द चैनल Oh my days, oh my days. First of all, I want to congratulate each and every one of you who have a very good IQ in maths. Obviously, you know, in between India and Pakistan, our Desi people, they don't just rely on calculator, just try to sort out the things in their heads, on their fingertips. So that's how it works. And you know, a lot of people outside, like in the European or you know the other countries like US, they just try to do things with calculators. तो वो अच्छी चीज़ है, you know, एक image भी बना होता है ना, you know, इस हवाले से कि यार बहुत expert हैं इसमें. So I quite surprised to see that, you know, the guy with the glasses. So at very first sight, I recognize, you know, he's a very intelligent guy. And the other, you know, the girl was trying to be a bossy, is behaving like a teacher. So all good. Every question, you know, I would say that the YouTuber asked to the guys out there on the roads, say they just give the right answer except for one or two. So it's very good thing. I mean, I would say that. Even they're saying, if somebody want to get married, so they have to give you a test. If you pass the test, then obviously they will give you like, go ahead for the marriage. That's the interesting thing, I would say that. And there's another thing which tricked me. It's a cultural thing, and everybody knows that the Indians are really good at maths. So it's a right, I would say that, right perception. They are really good at maths. I see that. I mean, if you ask me the question straight away like this, because I'm not really good at maths, but my marks, I think, and when I was doing at the 10th standard, there was there's a total 100 marks. Out of 100 I took I think 65 or something. So I really hate maths. So when you're trying to solve the problem, it's doing the things, it's a very you enjoy doing it, but the later on I'm not touched with mathematics all the way. So I'm really surprised when you ask me the question, I will not able to give you a right answer. So that's for the today reactions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please leave your comment section. Are you really good at maths at your school, and what's your percentage? So till then, take care of yourself, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and bye bye.